Hey guys, welcome to the next episode. Today's episode is directed more at the new users because I'm going to show you how to check on which exchanges you can buy the given crypto. So if you've already been in crypto for some time, then most likely you know how to do this. If you're new, you probably have no idea how to check on which exchanges you could buy the crypto you're looking for. So let's start. In order to check on which exchanges we can buy the given crypto, we will use CoinGecko.com. So just go to this website, and once you get to CoinGecko, on the right side over here you've got search box, so just search for the crypto that you're looking for. Let's say I'm just going to find Jarvis Network, which is JRT, and once you type in the name of the crypto, it should be visible over here, so just click on it. And this should open the profile of the given crypto. So as you can see, Jarvis, on the right side we can see the price, the circulating supply, max supply, the website, community links like Twitter, Facebook or Telegram of the given crypto. And if we scroll down a little bit lower, we will see overview, markets, chart and historical data. So over here we need to click on markets, and once we do this, below over here we will see on which exchanges the given crypto is available. So as you can see, you can buy JRT on SushiSwap, Banker Network, Uniswap, Who, Ascendex, or the old name was BitMax, Loopring, and so on and so on. And of course this will work for any crypto that is available on CoinGecko. So let me check another one. Maybe I'm going to write Gamercoin. I'm gonna click on it. Gamercoin was just released a week or 2 weeks ago, so it's a really new coin. And when we scroll down and hit on markets, we should be able to see on which exchanges you can buy it. So as you can see, Gamercoin is available only on BitHub at the moment. That's how usually it works when there is a new coin on the market. First they are added to one exchange, and then over time more and more exchanges follow. So that's how you can check on which exchanges you can buy the crypto you're looking for. And that would be it for today. Make sure that you join our Telegram group. You can find the link in the description of this video. And remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.